going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to be helping prevent another yard from flooding by running out their downspouts and their sump pumps. So let's get right into it. Here we go. Remember, always first things first, always call in for your mark out. We're going to be running these two downspouts on the left side of the house, and I believe his sump pump is on the back. Yep, we're going to be bringing this down over here, tying all this in. We're going to wire this in, bring it down, come all the way across, come down, go all the way down to the street, have this downspout tie into it. That's on the left side. On the right side over here, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. We have his downspout on the back right. I'm gonna bring it out, come down, and go all the way down, bypassing all the sprinkler lines. We got the gas line over here. We're gonna snake in between both of them to come all the way out here to the curb, right next to the other storm drain. So let's get to it. All right, now I have the right side of the house dug out completely, all the way to the back. Now I just gotta go ahead and put the pipe in, make sure I have the correct grade, and then rehook up the sprinkler line and everything above it, so that way we have the sprinkler line above our pipe in case there's any future repairs. And we have the left side over here completely done. Under the sidewalks, everything going, and we're just making sure we get the complete grade in the back. And then we got to pipe everything together to make sure we have the absolute correct grade to make everything go to the street. So time to pipe it up. And here we go. I now have the right side done. As you can see, we are downhill to level here and where it starts. Come around the corner, we're downhill to level. Come down further. Go and put the level down over here. We are completely downhill to level here, so when all the water comes out, it's going to jet out extremely. We got the directional tee, downhill to level, keep it going all the way down. And then right over here, right before I go underneath, I have it all the way going down.
All the way.
Completely, so all the water's going to come here, build up, go into where the burrito wrap is. As always, make sure you have your holes drilled in the bottom there, so that way when there's no more head pressure for the water to come up, it can go back into the ground. That is how it's done. Then you fold it over, burrito wrap, and now time to backfill and do the rest. And here we go. Now I have the complete left side done. Sump pump, everything's going downhill. As you can see, extremely downhill. Keeps going, goes around the corner. We start off on the corner here, going drastically all the way downhill. Keep it coming all the way down. Downhill to level here. And then we keep going. Have it going downhill level all the way. Then as we get closer and closer to the end, we make it start going slightly more downhill to level. And then right here beforehand, when it goes under the sidewalk, it's going to be extremely downhill to level. And then just like the other side, come down here, holes drilled into it, put rock, filter cloth, burrito wrap, voila. Now to backfill and show you how it works. And here we go. This is how you test the system. You put the hose and the clean out furthest away from the house, and then you have it go all the way. We have this one that ties into it. Still trying to clean up the yard some. Come all the way down here at the end to the pop-up, which you can already see the water's in there. As it's building up, it's also trying to go in those two holes in there because that is the mini drywall under all this. So when there's no more head pressure to build up, the water can drain back into the ground. So now to wait for it to build up. And here we go. This is exactly how it works. The water's going to build up, come out, facilitate over, and go all the way down to the storm drain at the corner. The one on that side is going to come out, come all the way down to this storm drain. And for those that are going to ask, always, no, you cannot curb into the storm drain. That is illegal in Jersey. So please don't do that, guys. People that do it, make sure, I guess, you follow whatever thing you need and get your permits, but yeah, can't core into there. So this is how the right side works. Now to show you the left side. And here we go. Now I have the left side. You put it, the hose and the farthest clean out all the way. It's all going to come down. The sump pump line's tied into that as well. Plus I have this downspout. It comes down underneath, ties in. Everything goes all the way down here to the street, under the sidewalk. Down here to the mini drywell. It's going to take it a sec. You can hear the water building up and coming. Here it comes, here it comes. Bam. Just like that. And as you can see, it's building up into the mini drywall first. Water is going to fill until the mini drywall is full. Then when that is full, then it'll come up and build over. Now to wait. And here we go. Water builds up, comes over, facilitates over the curb, and it goes down all the way to the storm drain over there. That is how you help prevent water from flooding your yard, by extending out your downspouts. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.